Let's see what we have here. We're gonna have a flood going on here if they don't stop, but can't remember if I did a video on this or not. But if you remember, I said I was sinking. Yeah, that's why. Three-quarter-inch copper, original water line from the 1950s. I don't know if this guy turned his gas off to the hot water heater, but that's what happens when you're downhill. When you got a downhill brake and the water is off. It's off, but that's your house, and that's your at least 40-60 gallon hot water tank draining. Right there. You can see it filling up. Yeah, it was a couple weeks ago. I was standing right about there looking, taking pictures. I take pictures of the horizon there. And it just sunk into the ground. Go figure. 3 days later, water line's cut after it filled up this hole for how many times? 3/4 inch copper don't last forever. And they're patching it with blue stripe black PVC pipe. This looks like PVC. All covered up. What's this? Where people are leaving parts behind. Somebody left their ball. Huh. Three-quarter inch. Let's see, what they use to fix this. 3/4 inch shark bite and a, what the heck was it? Some other kind of coupling. Didn't work, or it did work. And just to cover my ass, this is their water pressure. None.